Looking for an affordable action camera that lets you capture adventures in 4K, underwater, and on the move without spending a fortune? The AKASO EK7000 is one of the most popular budget picks for beginners and casual creators. Right away, the biggest highlight is 4K video at 30 FPS with 20 MP photos, giving you sharp, detailed footage that's a big step up from basic HD cameras, especially at this price point. It's built for adventure. With the included waterproof housing, it can go up to 131 feet 40 meters underwater, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving without worrying about damage. For smoother footage, it includes electronic image stabilization, EIS, which helps reduce shake during activities like biking, hiking, or action shots, though it's not as advanced as high-end cameras. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens is another big plus, capturing more of your surroundings, great for landscapes, travel shots, and POV footage. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity and a remote control, so you can start recording, transfer files, and share clips directly to your phone without hassle. Battery life is practical too. It includes 2 batteries, each offering around 90 minutes of recording, so you can keep shooting longer without interruption. And one of the best parts, it comes with a full set of mounts and accessories, letting you attach it to helmets, bikes, or gear right out of the box. Now, the honest part, this is a budget action camera. Low light performance is limited, audio quality isn't the strongest, and stabilization isn't as smooth as premium models like GoPro. But that's expected at this price. Overall, this is a great entry-level action camera that delivers solid 4K video, waterproof capability, and tons of accessories, perfect for beginners, travelers, and casual adventure shooting. Click the link below for the best price.